Hello, and welcome to this short introductory presentation on the benefits of becoming a CubeFarmer. In the next several minutes, I, Tyler Tate, will outline the design principles, outreach methodologies, advantages, and adaptability of the CubeFarm system and why you should adopt it for yourself. CubeFarm is an open-source, do-it-yourself, modular, transportable agriculture system for reducing waste materials while growing food. Cubes can be stacked up to 3 cubes high or laid in rows to accommodate available space. They can be left open for greater access to the plants inside, or they can be covered to make greenhouse structures for greater control over the climate in which the plants are growing. They also provide an opportunity to repurpose commonly available waste materials such as shipping pallets, scrap wood, and PVC pipe through their production. In building your own farm cube modules to assemble a cube farm, then you are efficiently repurposing your available space in order to produce food, capture carbon, transform waste materials, and produce oxygen through a minimal utilization of wind, power, and economy. The project exists in the physicality and materiality of the objects themselves, but has a simultaneous virtual existence on the internet in various formats. Visitors to the project's website can access a series of tutorials which illustrate the process of reproducing farm cubes as a step-by-step process through a combination of text, photographs, digital renderings, and videos. The tutorial series covers all aspects of the production of a cube farm, including how to construct a farm cube module, install the semi-hydroponic system, brew a batch of compost tea, assemble LED grow lights, build a jewel teeth, and make a wind turbine, along with some notes on how you can adapt your cube farm to a variety of situations. The importance of CubeFarm's methodology is not the production of 1 or 3 or 10 farm cubes, but an attempt towards using open-source methodology to incentivize collective mass production for the benefit of individuals, communities, and the environment. The project is not necessarily an art project, though certainly it can be viewed from that perspective, but is in fact a hybridized venture which crosses into realms of social design, pedagogy, activism, and of course, agriculture. The modularity of farm cubes makes them adaptable to a variety of situations and environments, allowing for an efficient occupation of space, while also meaning that the plants which they house are able to be exchanged easily within the growing habitat of each cube. As such, plants contained within each growing tube can be easily switched out for new plants, or, in the case of plants which grow quite large, removed entirely to be planted in a traditional growing environment. The project is therefore not limited to just growing vegetables, but can be used for a variety of flora including legumes, flowers, herbs, and trees. We, as a species, currently face many challenges that must be dealt with in the near future. Food shortages, growing landfills, and climate change could be described as 3 of the major ones, which in turn create additional problems such as mass migration, pollution of water sources, as well as increased natural disasters. CubeFarm is specifically built to encourage its replication because of its simple design, prevalence of the specific tools required for its assembly, and the limited skills that are needed for its production. As the project lives, breeds, and accumulates through collective mass production, it can mitigate the aforementioned challenges. Additionally, each farm cube will be built for easy transportation, to be durable in all weather conditions, for interior or exterior use, as well as in both rural and urban locations, providing the potential for access to nutrition in food deserts. With this strategy for open-source problem-solving through co-production, users can simply build as many farm cubes as they like, but they can also comment on the project via its various online forums to provide feedback, design amendments, and any other suggestions on how to improve CubeFarm's efficacy. CubeFarm attempts to address real issues through creative problem-solving and aesthetic solutions. Join the growing number of cube farmers in reducing waste materials while producing healthy food, in addition to improving your local and global environment by building your own.